So guys, welcome again today on my channel. So today we will learn on the topic chemical reactions and equations. So on this chapter, which is chapter 1 NCERT, so it is of chemistry part. So here is the QR code, you can scan and you can learn by videos. So what is chemical reaction and equation? So first, moving ahead, before moving ahead, we will see this. See, here is telling, consider the following situations of daily life and think what happens when milk is left at room temperature during summer. An iron tawa, pan, nail is kept exposed to humid atmosphere. Grapes get fermented. Food is cooked. So food get digested in our body. We respire. So here is telling, consider it, that what will happen. So what will happen when milk is left at room temperature during summer? So when milk is left at room temperature, जब मिल्क को छोड़ दिया जाए रूम टेम्परेचर में समर में तो क्या होगा? एन आयरन तवा, पैन, नेल इज लेफ्ट एक्सपोज टू ह्यूमिड टेम्परेचर एटमोसफेयर. आयरन तवा या पैन या नेल को अगर ह्यूमिड एटमोसफेयर में रख दिया जाए, ग्रेप्स गेट फर्मेंटेटेड. सो वी विल लर्न in all the above situations the nature and identity of initial substances have somewhat changed. We have already learnt about physical and chemical changes of matter in our previous classes. So whenever chemical change occurs, we can say that chemical reaction has taken place. So in simple term, you can know that formation of new substances. So here is formation. So suppose you kept, or say suppose example, normally you will get understand, you hit a ball. So when you hit a ball, then the ball get, suppose here you hit a ball, so ball came to here, it is a boundary, so it will come or 4 or 6. So 4, it will be either 4 when coming to boundary, so it will be either 4 or either 6. So this has taken change, so this is known as change. So in simple term we can say that formation of new substances and new properties is called chemical changes. So formation of new substance means, that was normally example, so you can better understand it. आप अच्छे से समझ जाएं, इसके लिए ये एग्जाम्पल दिया मैंने. सो अगर कोई न्यू सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है और न्यू प्रॉपर्टीज आती हैं, तो उसे हम लोग केमिकल चेंज कहते हैं. सो इट विल बी केमिकल चेंज. सो केमिकल चेंज आर ऑल्सो नोन एज केमिकल रिएक्शंस. केमिकल चेंजेस को ही केमिकल रिएक्शन भी कहते हैं, केमिकल रिएक्शन. So whenever a chemical change occurs, we can say that chemical reaction has taken place. Which I told earlier, chemical changes when occurs, then obviously chemical reaction also take place. So chemical reaction, chemical change जब होगा तो obviously बात है कि chemical reactions भी होंगे. So you will now learn about these whole things. So you may have perhaps be wondering as to what is actually meant by chemical reactions. So how do we come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place? So we will learn all these about that, how chemical reaction take place or has taken place. केमिकल रिएक्शन कैसे टेक प्लेस किया और कैसे हुआ ये, तो इसके बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे. We will learn all these about. So let us perform some activities. First of all, let's come to activity. So this is activity 1.1 from NCERT. So caution is given. So caution is that this activity needs the teacher assistance. So without teacher it's not possible because it can be dangerous. So it would be better if students wear suitable eyeglasses. So clean a magnesium ribbon. So here you can see figure. Here magnesium ribbon is cleaned. So clean a magnesium ribbon about 3 to 4 centimeter long by rubbing it with sandpaper. Sandpaper in Hindi you can see saras patta. So जो कि यूज किया जाता है walls also in painting also. So at the time of when painting we so hold it with a pair of tongs. So burn it using a spirit lamp or burner and collect the ash formed in a watch glass. So after taking watch glass you have to do. So in figure 1.1, so this is figure 1.1. Now I'll explain nicely. So burn the magnesium ribbon keeping it away as far as possible from your eyes. थोड़ा सा दूरी रखना है. What do you observe? So we will just understand and the observation will be came out. So here is tongue. This is lamp. ये एक लैम्प है. मैग्नीशियम रिबन रखा गया है. मैग्नीशियम रिबन is kept beside that, means beside, not at, very nearer it is to the tongue. Here is burner. Here is tongue. Here is magnesium ribbon. So here is watch glass also. So watch glass will be kept little far. So now after you had to use eyeglasses, so that will protect you from magnesium ribbon, because magnesium ribbon is very dangerous. It can harm your eyes. जो यूज किया जाता है वेल्डिंग, सिंपल मैग्नीशियम रिबन इसलिए यूज किया जाता है क्योंकि आप लोग देखे होंगे, यू वुड हैव बीन सीन इन वेल्डिंग में जो यूज किया जाता है उस समय भी जो वर्कर्स होते हैं, व्हेन वर्कर्स आर देयर, सो वर्कर यूज टू वेयर आई ग्लासेस, सो दैट विल प्रोटेक्ट देयर आईज, प्रोटेक्ट करेगा आईज को. सो यू ऑल्सो डू दैट. So now you have to burn the magnesium ribbon. So after burning you take out in watch glass. So you can see by burning magnesium ribbon you will, here it will form magnesium oxide. So burning, so here one question also can come, and that question will be, after burning of magnesium ribbon, so what the observation comes out, or after burning of magnesium ribbon what do you get? So you get magnesium oxide. So this is the important one. After burning the magnesium ribbon you get magnesium oxide. So this is important one. So burning of magnesium, simple burning of magnesium ribbon we get magnesium oxide. magnesium ribbon को burn करने के बाद magnesium oxide का formation होता है. So in it can ask in one number question. So एक नंबर में पूछा जा सकता है. So burning of magnesium ribbon in air and collection of magnesium oxide in watch glass. So after burning magnesium ribbon in air, collection of magnesium oxide in watch glass. This only we observe. ये ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न किया गया और बर्न करने के बाद मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मेशन हुआ और उसे ही वॉच ग्लास में देखा जा रहा है. So that's all. So now we come to the another topic. So that is, so you must have observed that magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and changes into a white powder. So the powder is magnesium oxide. So जो पाउडर मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न करने के बाद एक फ्लेम निकलता है, द फ्लेम विच कम्स आउट, दैट इज ओनली नोन एज द वाइट पाउडर विच आफ्टर चेंजेस इट कम्स आउट. सो दैट पाउडर इज ओनली नोन एज मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. सो इट इज फॉर्म ड्यू टू द रिएक्शन बिटवीन मैग्नीशियम एंड ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. ये तब फॉर्म होता है जब रिएक्शन होता है मैग्नीशियम और ऑक्सीजन जो एयर में प्रेजेंट है उसके द्वारा. So then only the reaction takes place. So before moving ahead we will learn one more activity which is here. First of all, activity 1.2. So take a lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Test tube में ले लेना है lead nitrate solution. Add a potassium iodide. Potassium iodide means Ki solution you had to add in lead nitrate solution. So what do you observe? So it is very short. So here is showing about so here is written formation of hydrogen gas by the action of dilute sulfuric acid and zinc. So you can see here H2 gas, glass tube, cork present, conical flask is also present. Conical flask means the tube, and glass tube you can see here it is showing, and dilute sulfuric acid and zinc granules. So it is showing that zinc का कील एक तरह से कह सकते हैं, कील को पुट किया गया, H2 गैस प्रेजेंट है, कोनिकल फ्लास्क में कॉर्क को बंद कर दिया गया और डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है. तो यू विल ऑब्जर्व द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस बाय द एक्शन ऑफ डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ऑन द जिंक. ब्राउन कोटिंग एक तरह का आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी द ब्राउन कोटिंग, ब्राउन कलर कोटिंग. सो वी कम टू द एक्टिविटी नंबर 3. टेक अ few zinc granules. So this only it shows 1.2 and 1.3 both are related together. So take a zinc granules in a conical flask or a test tube. Add dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. So caution, handle the acid with care, otherwise it can harm you. Do you observe anything happening in the zinc granules? Yeah, brown coating it comes out. So both are interconnected, both activities. So now before going ahead, here is one thing. So from the above 3 activities, we can say that any of the following observations help us to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not has taken place. इससे यह पता चलता है जो तीनों एक्टिविटीज, this comes out that above the 3 activities which we observed here, so it came to the observation that chemical reaction takes place. How it takes place? So change in state first, change in color, change in evolution of gas, changes in temperature. यही चारों चीज को हमें पढ़ना है अच्छे से. We have to read further. So change in state first means physical state, chemical state. So now change in color, brown, like which we observe here. Evolution of gas, magnesium oxide, magnesium ribbon था, burn हुआ, evolution of gas हुआ, means gases change हुए और magnesium oxide formation हो गया. Now changes in temperature also. So as we observe the changes around us, we can see that there is a large variety of chemical reaction taking place around us. We will study about the various type of chemical reaction, symbolic and their symbolic representation in this chapter. So before moving ahead, here is the main topic which comes out to what is chemical equation. So what is chemical equation? So chemical equation means, what is chemical equation? So chemical equation is the symbolic representation. So it is the symbolic representation. See here is example. By example you will understand more nicely. So when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it get converted to magnesium oxide. So the description of a chemical reaction is in a sentence form is quite long. So it can be written in shorter form, the simplest way, that is magnesium plus oxygen, that is magnesium oxide. So here is reactant. Before going ahead, I am telling the magnesium plus oxygen forms reactant, and both the reactant form product by going there. So here means it is symbolic representation. MgO, see here, Mg plus O2 form here MgO. This only forms magnesium plus oxygen forms magnesium oxide, which is Mg plus O2 MgO. It means MgO, not MgO. MgO is a joke. this channel of joke in YouTube. So the substances that undergo chemical change in reaction, magnesium and oxygen are the reactants. जो अंडरगो होते हैं रिएक्शन में जो भाग लेते हैं उन्हें हम लोग रिएक्टेंट कहते हैं, और रिएक्शन मीन्स विच पार्टिसिपेट इन द रिएक्शन, दोज आर नोन एज मीन्स मैग्नीशियम एंड ऑक्सीजन, दोज आर नोन एज reactants, and the formation which takes place is known as product. Simple one. So we will further read about this whole that how it takes place in changes in gas, which I told earlier, changes in gas. So we will learn more about that, and writing equations which is Mg plus O2, which I told earlier, MgO, and balanced equations. So all these I will tell you in next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much.